If you want to smell like money, if you want to smell rich, if you love the smell of oud like me, pick this up, girls, and then come back to the comments and tell me how much you liked it. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is christinakamara, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you guys here today. I have a special video for you all. As much as we love fashion over here, we also love to smell and look good, and I picked up so many great fragrances from Shein. This video is not sponsored, so all of these opinions will be of my own, also in comparison to some of the name brand perfumes that I have in comparison to the ones from Shein. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start with this scent. I actually only picked up this scent because it said the word oud in it. I love oud. I'm just still trying to classify the specific type of oud that I like, but this is definitely a man's perfume. So this would be a great idea if you are looking to get your boyfriend, your husband, your dad something to add to his collection, or maybe even start his collection. This right here is comparable to the Tom Ford male scent. I can't really remember the name right now, but my father actually wears this cologne pretty often, so this is pretty much identical. I'm gonna put the notes up here so you guys can see in comparison, but this is a really nice manly scent. It smells pretty subtle. It's not as strong as the original black bottle Tom Ford if you smelt it before, but this has some really great wear and the reviews online were pretty good. So if you're looking for a good male scent to gift or even for yourself, this is a great starter, and the price point is amazing for the quality. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the woman's scents. Of course, everything else that I purchased and picked up is for the ladies. So starting off with this scent, the name of it is the Aqua Allegory Mint Grass. You'll see that I picked up a lot of different scents from this company that they have, or this brand that they have on Shein called Jean Miss. They have a lot of different scents that are designer dupes and then also specific fragrances from their own line. So this right here is in the scent Mint Grass. It definitely smells like, to me, it smells like a light, airy, misty fragrance. I will pop up the notes up here so you guys can see. This is definitely a good layering scent. If I had something that was a little bit more of a stronger, fresher base to start off, I would definitely put that on first and then layer it with this. This is like your perfect summer, easygoing beach day scent. It smells really good and it's light. So if you pick something like this up, you can definitely wear it on vacation. You can wear it as an everyday or even as a touch-up mist, you know, if you go to the gym or if you're running errands and you want to just pop this in your bag and touch up with it. So this, I would definitely rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, give it a 7, just because of the longevity of it. But if you are looking for a great layering mist, this is definitely a good option. The next two scents that I picked up are these super cute minis. These are also from the brand Jean Miss. They are a play on the Louis Vuitton woman scent. I don't know specifically what they'd be comparable to in that line. Everything from the bottle to the overall presentation of these items literally scream Louis Vuitton perfumes. I have a Louis Vuitton cologne actually that is a men's scent, but the bottle is very similar and the scent wears well. I can definitely say the same thing about these two. These are both floral-esque scents. These actually do come in a discovery set, so you can get the set of 4 and kind of try out, mix and match and see what scents can be your favorite. These, I would say, can be your main fragrance and also a good layering fragrance. They are definitely highly concentrated, not your typical designer perfume, but these will definitely stay on for a couple of hours. They don't have specific names on them, so I can't tell you which is which, but I will do my best to pop up the notes here so you guys can reference that as well. These are the perfect summer scents. They smell very fresh, very clean, very floral. And if you're looking for something that is easy on the go, you can travel with these. The Discovery set plus these two are definitely great picks. Sticking with our tiny bottle perfumes, I also picked up another scent by the company Jean Miss. This is a play on the Hermes Twilly, and I actually have the original here for you guys to kind of just see a comparison with the bottles. This one is obviously smaller, and it's not as concentrated as my regular Twilly. I have the ginger Twilly and the original. This scent right here is a good happy medium between the two. I wouldn't say it has notes of ginger, but it is a less concentrated version of the original Twilly. So it smells really, really good, and it's a great main fragrance to have on your skin. This is a great scent to have for your summer collection or even year round, because I feel like you can never go wrong with a light, fresh, floral scent. If you are a girl that loves to kind of just touch up and spritz every now and then, this is so cute and so handy to just throw inside your bag and pull out, you know, if you're on vacation. I would definitely recommend trying this out. If you have the original Twilly, you'll see what I mean when I say it's a happy medium in between, but this is a very good quality scent, and the price was super affordable. The next scent that I have here in another very similar bottle is by the name of Lazy Sunday Morning. This is definitely a dupe for the Maison Margiela replicas. This smells really good. It's also very light and fresh. It almost, to me, like if a cloud had a scent, I feel like this is what this would smell like. It smells really good and it wears down nicely. Because a lot of these fragrances were very inexpensive, I would recommend this to be a layering scent. It does settle on the skin very nicely, but if you want to bring it out a little bit more, something like this would pair really nice with a Dolce & Gabbana light blue, just because that has a nice, fresh, stronger scent. And then putting this on top, you would literally just be walking around smelling like clean air. This smells so good. I would pack this in my vacation bag. I would have this to just throw in my bag to touch up during the day. It's a really good summer scent. If you're the kind of girl that likes to put on a little bit of a splash or perfume before you go to bed, this is a great option and a great alternative. This bottle is 1.7 ounces, so it's not bad at all. It meets the travel requirements, and this will pretty much fit into any bag that you're holding. So this is a great scent. It's a great summer option, and if you're looking for the replica vibe and you don't want to spend the amount, this is definitely a great starting point. The next scent that I have here, it's not from Jean Miss, but it's just a Shein brand. The name of it is From Indexes, from your Smell Good perfume. This, out of the whole set, might have to be my second favorite. We're gonna get to my first, but this smells so good. It's a nice vanilla scent. It smells like a dipped caramel, just the perfect vanilla for the summer, because it's not as concentrated as your, let's say, YSL Libre or your Mancera scents, but this is a light vanilla scent. It has good concentration on it because I have wear tested this and it will last on my skin for a couple of hours. So do not be fooled by the size of this bottle. It is small but mighty. It's such a great summer scent. If you are a vanilla girl, you will definitely love this. You will be smelling good all day. You will be getting compliments. This can be worn as your main base, and you can also layer it if you want to intensify the scent a little bit more. So you will not regret picking this up, ladies, and thank you later. Now going into our full-size bottles. This is a goodie. If you know, you know. This is the Jean Miss play on the Valentino perfume. This smells exactly like the original. And I kid you not, on the bottle size, I was actually shocked that they sent me the full size, because this was maybe no more than $10-15, if that. This smells so amazing. This is a scent that you can wear. It's going to last you throughout the whole day. The quality is amazing. The concentration is amazing. The notes I'm going to put up here so you guys can compare it to the original bottle if you have that. But this is such a good scent. Not even just for the summer or the springtime. You can wear this year round. This was actually my the original bottle was like the first bottle of designer perfume that I ever picked up. So having this and being able to get the same scent, the same look for less is just a blessing. I absolutely love how this wears on my body. Also, just a disclaimer, none of these scents, I have not gotten any allergic reaction to them or any breakouts. So if you have sensitive skin like me, you're definitely good at trying any of these out. This scent smells very light, very fresh, very florally. It's the perfect feminine and girly scent. So if you're looking to try out this scent, if you want to test it out, or whether you don't want to spend the full price for the full size bottle, definitely check out this Jean Miss Dupe. You will not regret it, girl. So on to my next bottle. This is the Oud Imprecious by Pandora Scents. They are sold on eBay and Amazon, but also on Shein. Guys, when I tell you, you're not telling me that this is not Oud Isphan by Christian Dior. And I have the original Oud Isphan by Christian Dior, and it's literally almost done. I love this scent so much. If there was an oud that would describe me, it would definitely be these here. They smell so feminine, so rich. It's literally less than a third of the price of the original bottle. The original bottle of the Oud Isphan, I believe for the full size, similar to this, it's about $300. This maybe cost me $25 to $28, so under 30 bucks. This actually smells stronger than my original Christian Dior scent, and it lasts all day. This scent might have to be the most pigmented out of all the perfumes that I picked up. It smells amazing. I get compliments every time I wear it. Like, if you want to smell like money, if you want to smell rich, if you love the smell of oud like me, pick this up, girls, and then come back to the comments and tell me how much you liked it. I love this scent so much. It is the perfect oud for the girl that doesn't like too much of a smoky, rich scent, but if you like oud mixed in with that rosy feel, this is such a good option. I will pop up the notes up here so you guys can compare and see, but this is definitely an amazing option and also a great pick for the summer and year round. My final perfume is the Jean Miss Pure. This, guys, I kid you not, if you are familiar with the Mancera perfume and cologne line, this smells exactly like Instant Crush. And you ask, how do I know? Because I have the original Instant Crush, and this just smells like a lighter version, but it's not to the point where it's like a faint light. It definitely has great pigmentation and it will last on you all day. Pretty much like all the other perfumes, I wear tested this and this lasts on me for a couple of hours. No breakouts on the skin. It's not a bothersome smell. It just smells really fresh and really good. This was also super affordable. I believe it was under $15 or maybe $10. So if you're looking to try out that line, or if you're just looking for something to layer with more of your lighter scents, this is a great piece to pick up. It smells so amazing. It also is the perfect travel size bottle, because one thing about it, once it's 3.4 fluid ounces and under, you can travel with it, girl. So this is gonna be so good for you to use in the summertime. You don't have to worry about spraying too much because it's not your super expensive bottle, but you still get that designer and luxe smell. This just smells like money. It smells so it smells so good. I love the smell so much, and I also really love the Mancera line, so I could not miss trying this out and sharing it with you guys. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again. I am so happy that I was able to share these fragrances with you. I hope that you got inspired or found some options that you can try out for this upcoming summer, or just to add to your collection in general. Remember, you do not have to spend too much to smell good and to look good. Definitely leave a comment down below on the ones that you are interested in or thinking about picking up. Also, let me know what your favorite fragrance is. I'm always in the market to try something new. So thank you guys so much for watching. All the information will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.